National Weather Service in Marquette has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Luce County in eastern Upper Michigan, northeastern Aldrich County in north-central Upper Michigan. Until midnight Eastern Daylight Time at 11:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Grand Marais, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Grand Marais, Muscatine State Park, Grand Sable Dunes, Pine Stump Junction, and Deer Park. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station W.